Are you confused by marketing? Is it a bit overwhelming? Do you not know how to cut through? I get it, right? It's so many channels, so many different approaches, so many different opinions, and it can be overwhelming. I hear this a lot in all of my circles. So let me give you a 3-step process to do it. Number 1, do your strategy, right? Build your business goals and put together a strategy that gives you a North Star, right? All of those month by month ideas around your business goals and your sales revenue opportunities. Number 2 is build your brand messaging communications document. What it is a framework of messages and unique positioning that gives you something distinct to aim for, right? So all of those communications, hero statements, etc., tone of voice, establish that so you can share it with your team. Number 3 is tactics, execution. So now that you've got steps 1 and 2, now number 3 is execution. Go across all your channels and get out there and show your message and show your tactics and build that reputation in the market. I hope that helps. If you need any guidance, reach out to us at Melotti Content Media or me, Christopher Melotti. I'm a message marketing consultant and I can definitely help you. Hope that helps.